Hey guys, welcome back once again to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a very simple and very effective hair treatment that is going to help grow your hair tremendously. It's going to increase your hair length and it's going to also thicken the depth of your hair. And if this is the first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give it a huge thumbs up. So to prepare this simple but very natural and very effective remedy, we'll be making use of coconut oil and aloe vera gel. These two ingredients are very important for hair growth. It's going to help stimulate your hair. It's going to stimulate the growth of your hair by creating circulation on your scalp. So let's get right into it. The first ingredient we'll be needing for this simple, very natural remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It contains very useful and soothing properties. It's going to help condition and soothe your hair, and it's going to also give your hair that natural shine and glow. It's also going to help promote the growth of your hair, and it's going to prevent and stop any kind of itchiness and dandruff on your scalp. It's also going to help reduce any inflammation on your scalp. It's going to prevent breakage, and it's also going to stop split ends from getting into your hair, and it's also going to stop any kind of frizz or flaking on your hair. Aloe vera gel is going to help keep your hair conditioned, smooth, and is going to soothe your hair. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains so many vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil is also very rich in moisturizing properties. It's going to help keep your hair constantly moisturized. It's going to help rejuvenate your scalp, and it's going to help cleanse the pores of your scalp by getting rid of any kind of toxins or dirt in your clogged scalp pores. It's going to help cleanse your scalp. It's going to help keep your scalp healthy by balancing the pH level of your scalp, and it's also going to help treat your scalp of any irritation. It's going to help to get rid of the itchiness and dandruff on your scalp or any other damage done to your scalp, maybe through ultraviolet rays from the sun or through the hair products we use every day, conditioner, shampoo, relaxer. These products are not all natural. They could be damaging to our scalp, so coconut oil is going to repair all this damage, and is also going to enrich our scalp with all the necessary vitamins, nourishment that our scalp needs to stay healthy and moisturized. To my bowl, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. So guys, here's our aloe vera gel. It is ready. Just add this to our remedy. Mix it all together. If you have a blender, you can just put this into your blender and blend both ingredients together. So our hair growth remedy is ready. As you can see, they are properly combined now. So this is just about the quantity you need for one use. To apply this remedy, make sure you apply it on a clean scalp. You have to wash your hair first before going in with this remedy. When you finish washing your hair, you pat it dry. Make sure it's not too dry, just a little bit wet. so that you can apply this wonderful treatment to it. So after washing your hair and you pat it dry, you partition your hair into small portions and massage this into your scalp. Massage every area of your scalp. Massage for about 10 minutes, then you allow it to sit on you until the next morning. This treatment is more effective overnight because you have to leave it on your scalp all through the night. Then after applying it, you wear your shower cap and you sleep with it so that the heat from the shower cap can open up your scalp pores, so that this remedy can gently and easily penetrate your scalp. When you put on your shower cap, it's going to be a little bit hot. It's going to keep your head, the temperature of your head is going to be warm, so your pores will open up, because our pores open when it is touched with hot water or anything hot. Any area of the body that is hot, our pores tend to open up in that area. So the heat from the shower cap is going to open up the pores, and then this remedy can just gently penetrate the pores, cleanse it, and it's going to help stimulate hair growth, and it's going to balance the pH level of the scalp, and it's going to help keep the scalp healthy. So you apply this, sleep. When you wake up the next morning, you just go ahead and wash it off with warm water. After washing it off with warm water, you can go in with your hair moisturizer. If you have any hair moisturizer, you go in with it. If not, if you have almond oil, you can just still apply almond oil to your hair to keep your hair moisturized. It's going to help keep your hair, the condition of your hair together. It's going to help keep your hair nourished and moisturized. So guys, this is it. This is all I have to share with you today, and I'm sure it was helpful and useful. Just share with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And try this at home and let me know your results in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.